I didn't realize how much money was stressing me until it started affecting my peace. Imagine your salary disappear first than you expect. This conversation is for you. Have you ever checked your balance and felt your heart beat fast? Have you ever smiled with people, but inside you are worried about money? Have you ever said, "I'm fine," when financial were quietly stressing you? If this sounds like you, please stay with me. I remember one day I was with friends, laughing and enjoying the moment. Then my phone vibrated. It was a bank message. I didn't open it immediately. My smile stayed, but inside my heart started racing. That's when I realized something important. Money was controlling my peace more than I wanted to admit. For a long time, money wasn't just a number to me. It was stress I carried silently. Even on days when I looked okay, when I smiled, even when I showed up, money was always at the back of my mind. I wasn't completely broke, but I was never comfortable. Every small expenses needed thinking. Sometimes even simple things felt heavy. There were moments I avoided plans, not because I don't want to go, but because I didn't want to spend. And the hardest part wasn't even the money. It was how much I blamed myself. I kept asking myself, why can't I manage money like others? Why does it feel so hard for me? I saw people around me moving forward, traveling, building, living freely. And I was just trying to survive until the end of the month. People don't talk about money shame. They don't talk about how lonely it feels to struggle silently. So let's say this clearly. I wasn't lazy, I wasn't careless, I wasn't even irresponsible. Simply was never taught how to manage money. One day, I got tired of running from my reality. I sat down with a notebook, no excuse, no hiding. I wrote everything down, what I learned, what I spent, even the small amount I used to ignore. It was uncomfortable. But for the first time, I understood my money, and understanding gave me clarity. Clarity gave me control, and control gave me peace. Here is what started changing my life and helped me moving towards success. Stopped blaming myself. I became honestly with my money. I learned before trying to earn more. I focused on small habits, not pressure. Success didn't start with big money. It started with understanding, discipline, small step, consistency, and patience. If money is stressing you quietly, please hear this. You are not weak, you are not behind, you are learning. And learning can change everything. I'm sharing this story because I know how heavy this feels. If this touched you, you are not alone here. Stay with me. We will talk about money honestly, without shame, and step by step. We are learning, we are growing together.